Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to add audio or video files to a text message on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we would need to open a chat with person that we want to send these files to. As a next step, click on this plus on this left edge to open this menu. After, choose this Files button. And on this menu, you'll be able to see all of the files that you have on your phone and also choose by categories on top: images, audios, files, or just one of them. But keep in mind that limits on this sending app is really low. For example, on the audio files is only 307 kilobytes. For example, that's a voice recording for about 10-15 seconds, so you wouldn't be able to send a person a full song or another file which is bigger than this limit. So for example, I will try to send this file which is 920 kilobytes and I'm getting this message which says cannot attach a file bigger than 307 kilobytes. Now, to send a message which is lower than this limit, I will choose this file which weighs only 10 kilobytes. And as you can see, appeared this voice message on this bar. And if you want to send this audio, simply click on this send icon right here. Now, if you would like to send a video via messages, we also need to click on this plus right here and click on gallery. Right here I have one video which looks like this, and I am also getting a message that this video is too large to send. Trim the video to decrease its resolution and size, then try sending it again. So you can try trim it for about 1 second, click done. And now we are able to send this video file also. But if you would like to send the person who are you texting with any larger audio or video message, it's better to use other messengers as WhatsApp, Telegram, or other. And that's it. Now you know how to add audio or video files to a text message. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.